We'll guide you through how to bulk delete Gmail emails. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, you end up receiving a lot of different emails. Some you may want to keep and some you may want to delete. So we'll guide you through how you can go and bulk delete them. There are different ways you can go about this, so make sure it's a full video and you can find what's going to work best for you and what you're trying to achieve. So the simplest way is in your inbox, you can come to the left of the emails and you can actually go and select them from here without going into the email. Once you go and have the ones you want to delete selected, you can then go and press delete at the top. Then they'll be moved to the bin, press more to the left and you can go and find bin. And then you can go to the top and press empty bin now, just like so. Then it's been deleted all. Alternatively, what you can do if you want to delete your entire inbox is you need to go to the top where you can go and press select. Then you need to go where it says all 50 conversations are selected and you want to press select all. Then you can go and press delete and of course they'll be in the bin and you can go and empty the bin. Now you may want to go and delete all the emails from a certain sender. So if you want to do that, you need to go and find an example, for example, Roblox, hover your cursor over it. Then you can go and press the copy email button to the right. Then you want to come to the search, right click, and we can press paste and press enter, and you'll then see them here. What you can then do is you can go and press select like so. And if there's more than 50, what you need to do is go and change the most relevant to most recent, and you can then press select all, and you can then press delete at the top. Then you can empty them from the bin, of course. Another way you can do it is by a certain word. So you could go to the top and press show search options. Then you want to go and you can type in include the word, or you can use another filter here as well, by the way. I just like to use word promotion, then choose date within. I'll do a year, and we can then press search and we'll go and see them here. What you want to do is go and press select all at the top of the list. Make sure that most recent is set to most recent, not most relevant. Otherwise you don't get the select all button. Then we can select all conversations and press delete. And then what we can do is go and delete them from the trash. You may need to go and wait for them to be moved to the bin and then you can clear them from there.